June this year has begun with cryptocurrencies in a bear market. The cryptocurrency industry as a whole is down $1 trillion since the start of 2022. With prices stabilizing after the May crypto crash, it's likely that June could be the best time to buy crypto for many months to come. The prices of major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are at their lowest levels in over a year. Meanwhile, altcoins Cardano and BNB have strong growth potential, and newcomer EverGrow Coin is most primed for entering the crypto top 50 this 2022. For now, we will talk about top 5 altcoins in June 2022 in this particular video. But before that, welcome back to your own channel, Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your own research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1 altcoin in our list is EverGrow Coin, leading reflection token in crypto. The project possesses a variety of features, which supposedly differentiate it from competitors. As a deflationary token, a number of processes are in place to reduce the supply over time. According to the project's website, this means that individual holdings will become more valuable and receive a higher proportion of rewards. Through buyback and burn, 2% of the native token EGC is collected upon each transaction being processed. This portion is converted to BNB, which are subsequently stored in the smart contract. Upon buyback and burn being enabled, the contract purchases EGC dollars directly from exchanges, driving the price up, and immediately and permanently removes those purchased tokens from circulating supply by sending them to the contract burn address, according to the website, meaning less circulating supply, so a higher share of rewards paid to holders. The objective of the crypto is to develop utilities and platforms which will earn revenue over time. This revenue will allegedly go to buyback and burn, further driving up the value of the tokens. On every transaction, there is a 14% tax. Of this, 8% is distributed as rewards, 2% to buy back and burn, 3% is transferred to the liquidity pool, and 1% is sent to the marketing wallet. With an ambitious roadmap including launching an NFT lending platform in the second quarter of 2022 and launching an exchange in the third quarter of 2022. The project seems like an impressive one. While many reflection tokens sprung up last year, EverGrow Coin was one of the first to incorporate stablecoin reflections as well as send 2% of the 14% tax towards buyback and burn. To date, close to 53% of the initial EGC supply has been permanently removed from circulation. The current EverGrow Coin price is $0.0000002084. Moving on to our second altcoin in this list is Cardano, a peer-reviewed blockchain. The unique process and cutting-edge technology of the platform, which houses ADA altcoins, has caught the eye of tech experts and investors alike. Go banking rates called Cardano the first peer-reviewed blockchain. Created by a non-profit organization under the guidance of Charles Hoskinson, a co-founder of Ethereum, Cardano was reviewed by a team of scientists and academics before launch. The platform uses proof-of-stake technology rather than the energy-hungry, inefficient proof-of-work algorithm to grant miners more mining power based on the amount of coin already in their possession. Cardano is on the path to being able to process up to 1 million transactions per second, according to GoBankingRates.com. Cardano is considered one of the more energy-efficient cryptocurrencies on the market. Like many cryptocurrencies, Cardano experienced a significant dip in 2022, dropping from its high of $3.09 in September 2021 down to just over 60 cents per coin in June 2022, according to CoinGecko.com statistics. However, only 75% of its maximum supply of coins has been mined, which means there is still potential for investors to accrue coins. Cardano ADA is known as the most academically rigorous blockchain in the crypto industry. Updates to the Cardano network go through rounds of peer review with papers published outlining intended developments. This helps Cardano foresee potential problems while providing a robust ecosystem for app developers and businesses to use the Cardano blockchain for their own needs. Cardano has a huge range of use cases from education certificates to agriculture to national identification systems. Its native token ADA is trading at a price of $0.5861 and is 10% down in price in the past week. Cardano ADA has not seen such low prices since early 2021. This makes June 2022 a great time to buy Cardano, one of the best cryptocurrencies to buy right now. Our third altcoin in this list is Ethereum, the merge incoming. Ethereum is the most well-known altcoin, and it's much more than just another cryptocurrency for many investors and enthusiasts alike. And experts say it could grow in value by as much as 400% in 2022. Ethereum's native token, ETHERF, has grown immensely in value since its creation. Launched in 2015 by computer programmer Vitalik Buterin, Ether has increased in price from $0.311 at its 2015 launch to around $4,800 at its highest late last year, with plenty of volatility along the way. Though Ether fell close to $1,000 Friday, it still represents a lifetime return on investment, ROI, of over 700,000% at the time of writing. A differentiating feature for Ethereum, unlike Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, is its utility as a software network that allows developers to build and power new tools, apps, and NFT. The blockchain-based software network has many uses and applications across the tech world, especially for gaming, music, entertainment, and decentralized finance, DeFi, making it one of the most popular and widely used cryptos this past year. At an annualized rate, Ether's ROI is nearly 300%. That means early investors have nearly quadrupled their investment every year since the summer of 2014. Crypto prices are notoriously volatile, however, so financial experts say to only invest what you can afford to lose, and never at the expense of foundational goals like emergency savings and high-interest debt payoff. So how high do experts expect Ether's price to climb? Here's a look at the factors contributing to Ethereum's volatile, yet upward climbing, price projections, and what experts predict for this year. Ethereum is trading at a price of $1,765. This is the lowest Ethereum price since early 2021. With a planned upgrade to Ethereum's consensus mechanism coming soon called the Merge, the network will soon enjoy drastically reduced fees. This makes Ethereum one of the best cryptocurrencies to buy in June 2022. Here comes the fourth altcoin, which is Bitcoin. Indicators suggest Bitcoin is a buy. It's been a rocky start to the year for Bitcoin, but experts still say it will hit $100,000, and that it's more a matter of when, not if. Bitcoin's price held steady below $21,000 Friday as investors continued to bail out of risky assets amid macroeconomic uncertainty. Several factors are contributing to growing economic anxiety, including surging inflation, a shaky stock market, rising interest rates, and recession fears. The crypto market has increasingly tracked the stock market in recent months, which makes it even more intertwined with global economic factors. The stock market had a short-lived rally Wednesday afternoon following the Federal Reserve's decision to raise interest rates by 75 basis points, the largest increase in 28 years. But the crypto market was unable to muster a rally, which could be a troubling sign for some investors, according to Edward Moya, a senior market analyst at Onda. Bitcoin declined as risk appetite left Wall Street and investors became worried about a much quicker deterioration for the U.S. economy, Moya says. Surging recession fears are crippling appetite for risky assets, and that has crypto traders remaining cautious about buying Bitcoin at these lows. Bitcoin is trading at a price of $29,590 today. Bitcoin has not fallen to below $30,000 since July last year and has not been at the low $29,000 range since late 2020. The Bitcoin price 20-week SMA is up over $37,000, while the 200-day SMA is as high as $1,500. Bitcoin's RSI on a weekly view is down at 33%. These indicators suggest Bitcoin is likely to rise in price in the future and hence is one of the best cryptocurrencies to buy in June 2022. Last but not the least, fifth altcoin. BNB, native token of crypto's largest exchange. BNB, the native token of the Binance blockchain, dropped more than 7% to $283 after Bloomberg reported that the U.S. regulators are investigating whether Binance Holdings Limited broke securities rules by selling digital tokens just as the crypto exchange was getting off the ground 5 years ago. Binance Coin, BNB, has been on a downtrend since the last couple of days as the U.S. SEC launched an investigation against Binance's native token. The commission is probing Binance Holdings Limited in connection with breaking the U.S. securities law. The hourly chart for BNB has broken below the triangle pattern. An immediate support for Binance Coin is expected at the $221 level, said Wazir X Trade Desk. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's SEC review pries into the firm's origins and those of its BNB token, which is now the world's fifth biggest cryptocurrency as per CoinGecko. Investigators are examining if the 2017 initial coin offering amounted to the sale of a security that should have been registered with the agency, sources told Bloomberg. In a statement, leading crypto exchange Binance said, "It would not be appropriate for us to comment on our ongoing conversations with regulators, which include education, assistance, and voluntary responses to information requests." The company added that it works with authorities and will continue to meet all requirements set by regulators. Binance Coin (BNB) is an exchange-based token created and issued by the cryptocurrency exchange Binance. Initially created on the Ethereum blockchain as an ERC-20 token in July 2017, BNB was migrated over to Binance Chain in February 2019 and became the native coin of the Binance Chain. Binance is the world's largest crypto exchange by daily trading volume, currently $63 billion. BNB is the native token of Binance and powers the crypto exchange while offering reduced fees for investors holding BNB in their Binance wallets. BNB is the fifth largest cryptocurrency in the world by market cap, $4 to $6 billion, and well ahead of its closest competitor, Cardano, $19.8 billion market cap. The BNB price is currently $284. These are prices not seen since summer last year. In the intervening months, BNB rose to over $650 through its all-time high of $691 came in May last year. The strength of the Binance ecosystem makes BNB one of the best cryptocurrencies to buy in June 2022. Let us know in the comments section which one you're going to show interest on. So that is all we have for you today. Consider subscribing to the Crypto World for more amazing crypto videos daily. Peace out.